Hello everyone, this is Abhishek, your English trainer and founder of Spontaneous English Academy. Welcome to this video. Here we are going to deal with a poem. The name of the poem is A Photograph, that is written by Shirley Tolson. This poem belongs to plus 1 standard of CBSE. So without wasting the time, let's get started. A photograph. This is a very beautiful poem written by Shirley Tolson. What is the theme of this poem? Let us understand this. Actually, there is a poet, and the name of the poet is Shirley Tolson, or poetess, you would say. She sees a photograph in her room. She just picks it up. She tries to see what it contains, and she sees three girls are there, and she goes into the flashback. Actually, the bigger one was the mother of the poet, and the other two girls were the cousin of her mother. And all the three girls, they had gone at sea beach to spend their holiday. It was their holiday and they wanted to spend it, they wanted to celebrate it at sea beach. Three girls, they were dressed in swimsuit. They were wearing the swimsuit and they went there for paddling. They were all together, and there was an uncle also who was taking the photograph of them. The name of the cousins sisters was Betty and Dolly. All these three girls were very happy at that time, and they were looking towards the uncle, and uncle was taking their photograph. At that time, their locks, or you say their hair, they were wet and on the face of them, but they were smiling. So this was the whole scenario of the picture. The Shirley Tolson is looking at the picture and she goes into the flashback. Actually, whenever you see a photograph, any photograph you see in your life, that is a object which transfers your heart, your thinking, your thought process into the flashback. So it is a kind of device, you can say, which puts you into the flashback. And the same thing is happening here. Poet is looking at the photograph and she goes into the flashback. She starts missing her mother. Now the condition is her mother is not alive. She has died. Okay, but when she sees the photograph, she becomes very unhappy. She realizes the importance of time, how time has passed, and how the things has completely changed around Shirley Tolson. So let us understand this poem by reading line by line. The cardboard shows me how it was. Here, Shirley Tolson is having a cardboard. Cardboard denotes to a photograph. Shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling. It means the poet is talking about the two girls. They were cousin sisters and they were ready and they had gone to sea beach for paddling, for swimming, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and both the girls were holding the hand of poet's mother, she the big girl. Now the poet is pointing out the big girl is the mother of Shirley Tolson, some 12 years or so. Here she is mentioning the age of her mother. Alright, all three stood still to smile through their hair. All three stood still and smiled through their hair. Actually, the hair were very wet at that time and they were on the face of these three girls. They were smiling through their hair. Understood? They were smiling through their hair. At the uncle with the camera, uncle was there, a person was there with them, and he was taking the photograph of them. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. And the photograph was taken, photograph was very old, and it was taken when the writer was not born. Alright, Actually, her mother was only 12 years old, so she was unmarried at that time, and Shirley Tolson was not in the existence, you can say. Alright, let us see next line. And the sea, which appears to have changed less. Here, the poet is pointing out that the sea has no change, it has not changed, it has no effect of time on it. Worst their terribly transient feet, but the time here, the terribly transient feet, it means there were footsteps at the beach side, and they were wiped out by sea waves. It means they were wiped out by time. Actually, time slips from your hand, it never stops. So the poetess is pointing out here that time is very fast, but it has no effect on sea, it has no effect on nature, and her mother has already died. All right, so man is mortal, you have heard very common thing. Some 20-30 years later, after the 20 or 30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Now Shirley Tolson has gone into the flashback, and she says that once upon a time her mother was holding this photograph and she was laughing on seeing this snapshot, and she was asking me, see Betty and Dolly, how they were looking, how cute they were looking. All right, and how they were dressed us on that particular day at the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter. Sea holiday was her past. Now the poet is saying that it was just a moment of past. It was just a moment of past. And the mother of the poet, she was laughing on seeing that photograph, because the memories were very very nice, very very happiest moments they had at that time. But now poet is very not so happy. She is holding a photograph of her mother, photograph of cousin sisters, and it was very very old photograph, and she is not happy because she has lost her mother. Both worry with the laborities of loss, and it was a big loss that Shirley Tolson is having. In the next stanza, or in the last stanza, now she has been dead nearly as many years. In this stanza, poet is pointing out that her mother has died as that girl lived, and of the circumstance there is nothing to say at all. Shirley Tolson is very very sad. She has gone into the flashback. She is just memorizing her mother. She loves her mother. Everybody loves her mother actually, and she is missing her very much. It's silence silences. In the last she says it's silence silences, and there is a complete silence in this concept, in that particular scenario, and everybody is silent. Means Shirley Tolson has become very very uh, unhappy, silent, thoughtful expression she had actually at that time. So it is about a photograph. Actually, what this poem signifies, this signifies that nature is very powerful, it has no effect of time, and man is mortal, time is very fast, and photograph is a kind of device, or is a kind of object which send you into the flashback, and it records the memory, it records some flashback scenes. So it is all about this. So I hope guys, how is this summary I discussed, line by line I discussed, I told you meaning and the whole summary of this poem. I hope every one of you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe with it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, that's all. See you in the next one with a new topic. Till then, bye bye, take care.